What if I told you that success isn't about motivation, but it's all about habits? The reason being, it's because motivation fades away. Same to willpower, it fades away. But habits, they keep you going even when you don't feel like it. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 6 practical steps that will help you build a routine that actually sticks and reset your routine for consistent success. Step 1. Choose just one habit at a time. When creating new habits, it's very important just to work on one meaningful habit at a time. And that one meaningful habit at a time, what happens is that it creates a ripple effect. But when you work on many habits, around 5 habits at a go, then what happens is that you overwhelm your brain, and that leads to lack of productivity. So it's very important when choosing and when creating habits to focus on just one meaningful habit at a time. Step 2. Anchor the new habit to an already existing routine. And this is because habits form faster when you stick them to an already existing routine. This is called habit stacking. And if you've read the book Atomic Habits, then you know where I got this from. So for example, you can say, after I finish taking shower, I will read 2 pages of my book. Once you work on this, the existing routine, which is taking shower, becomes the trigger for the new habit that you want to also adopt, which is reading 2 pages of your book every single day. Step 3. Start small. Really small. Make the habit so easy, in such a way that you can't fail. For example, if you want to work out, just start by 1 push-up a day. If you want to journal, just start by writing 1 sentence in a day. Make it as easy as possible, because small wins yield big results. Step 4. Track your results visibly. You can use a habit tracker or sticky notes or even a calendar to track your results. What happens is that if you see your progress visibly, then this creates some sort of momentum. Try as much as possible not to break the chain, but that happens. And if it happens, remember to have some grace on yourself. Forgive yourself. And we have talked about this in the other previous videos. Forgive yourself and return to the routine the following day. Step 5. Celebrate. It's very important to celebrate immediately. What happens is that when you celebrate, this rewires your brain. Do some silly dance, pat yourself on the back and say, yes, I did it. Because these positive emotions, it helps rewire your brain, and it helps these new habits to stick. And it also helps create momentum that is needed for you to keep on acting every single day. And to our final step, step number 6, make it easy for you to win and hard to fail. What this means is that you need to remove friction. You also need not to rely on motivation. And lastly, design your environment for consistency. For example, if you have a goal of drinking 3 liters of water every single day, make sure that your water bottle, it is accessible. That is what this point actually means. Make it easy for you to win and hard to fail. And to our daily challenge, what I'll encourage you to do, just pick one habit that you believe will help you move forward. Then what you're supposed to do with that one habit, I'll ask you to stick it to something that you're already doing. Then do it today, and also do not forget to track the progress. Okay, that is our mission for today and our challenge. And remember to share the progress on the comment section so that we can encourage each other and build each other. Lastly, do not forget to share this video. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Tomorrow, what we are going to do, we are going to look at how we can refrain our thoughts so that they can stop us from moving from taking action. And to our power statement, as usual, our power statement is that I create my future with the habits that I built today. That is what I leave you with. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.